When you have your test plan XML document, you can open Questa Sim and import it. So through this view, verification management, browser, get this window, right click test plan import, and find your XML plan, test plan. Now it will be converted to UCDB. You see here this XML to UCDB command run. It's also achieved in the view_coverage.tcl script. So now we need to add coverage data. So let's navigate into our run folder. And here we have runs with coverage for different days. You will have to create something like this yourself. Let's add this. And this has been merged with test associated, which means that each test is still available. You'll see each individual test, what they cover in this UCDB. So mark both of the items and click merge. Here you'll select the test associated merge level to retain this data for each individual test. And let's call this test plan merged and do the merging. So here is the vcover merge, the test associated command run. And this could take some time depending on how many tests you are merging. And this should finish without any errors, without any warnings, and you can examine the, let me show this view coverage.tcl. This script will tell you something about these errors and warning codes, and will also handle them in certain cases, but always will tell you what it's about, and sometimes it will instruct you how to manually deal with these errors. So now we have our merged test plan and invoke coverage view mode. This is a mode of Questa Sim where coverage features are available. The verification management tracker window opens automatically. This is found under View, Verification Management, and Tracker. This will show us the coverage percentage of the items we've added to the test plan. You can go into the individual items and examine the coverage. Here we see each field of this data type, what is covered in our tests. You can see in the field which values have been covered, which have not been covered. And you can do the same for code coverage and go into files and lines and see what hasn't been covered as well, which branches in this case have not executed. Now, because we have done the test associated, we have this feature available. Rank most effective test. We'll rank them by fewest to achieve coverage. You can also rank them by view time or simulation time. This will take a little while to these tests, which tests contribute to covering the raw data header 1 and so on. And in the window, we'll see a ranking of first the test that gave the most coverage, and then in descending order, the amount of coverage they contributed with. And you'll also see the test that did not contribute to coverage. And in this ranking window, you can see the names of all the tests, also the ones that did not contribute to coverage.